Good Thursday evening, Southeast Texas. It appears that last week's rain really helped the drought in the Triangle. Remember, we were in the reds. That was an extreme drought over the Triangle. Well, we're still in a drought, but at least it's down to a moderate level. And we still need more rainfall, but things have moved in the right direction. And hopefully with the forecast we see next week, we get some more beneficial rains. Tomorrow and also Saturday, this may be wishful thinking. We may not see anything, but very low chances at best coming up Friday and Saturday as high pressure builds on in. Sunday and Monday, that high moves off to the north and west. We get a northerly flow, so disturbances may be coming in from the north, and that may be enough to warrant a low-end scattering coming up Sunday and Monday. Then as we work on into Tuesday through Thursday of next week, quite a bit of uncertainty, and it may be a lot less or maybe a lot more as far as the forecast Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. I'll explain coming up in just a second. Otherwise, looking at weather watchers from earlier, we're wanting to show this. High pressure will be building in temporarily over the area Friday and Saturday, so that should cut rain chances down significantly and result in above normal temperatures. Some spots could hit the upper 90s coming up Friday and Saturday. Then that high weakens and builds towards our northwest. So the flow becomes more north to northeasterly. Any disturbances are going to get directed right along into the upper level, into the upper Texas coastline from the north and east. So that may be enough, again, to warrant at least a low-end scattering of showers and storms. Then, which model is correct? We do think that there is going to be a tropical wave spin up into the northern Gulf of Mexico. Looks weak at this point. The question is, where does it go after that? I'll get to that in just a second. Let's take care of first part of our forecast for tonight. Looking at any shower activity winding down over the next hour, looking at mostly clear to partly cloudy skies overnight. Just going to be warm and humid, mid-70s for lows in the lakes area and the mid to upper 70s and lower 80s in the Triangle. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. May not see much, if anything. It's all about the heat index really coming up tomorrow afternoon. Then in the long range, we may have that disturbance I was showing you head right on into the Texas coastline. And some modeling shows this spinning up into a weak tropical low. That would certainly be great for our area's weather as far as rainfall. Hopefully we won't get as much rainfall as we saw last week, but that, with this kind of pattern, is a possibility. Now, the other model shows it all the way over into the southeastern U.S. in the same time frame. That would be significantly drier. So what do? Is it going to hit Texas or is it going to be over in Georgia? It's too early to tell right now. That's called forecast uncertainty. So what can you do in this kind of situation? I want to let you know that there's a potential for very heavy rainfall next week. But at the same time, I can't discount this possibility. They may not get much. So at this point, because we are unsure as far as the outcome, we'll go with a low-end scattering. We blend the models together. So about a 30 to 40% coverage expected next week until we know which way this is going to go. Slightly choppy seas on the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, around 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see southwest winds at 5 to 10 knots, water temperature at 87. Our forecast tonight becoming mostly clear, warm and humid, mid-70s lakes, mid-70s to lower 80s Triangle with a light south to southwest wind. Then tomorrow, maybe a 5% coverage, some isolated late day showers or storms. Otherwise, hot and humid with highs mid-90s, but it'll feel more like about 105 to 106 coming up tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, as we take a look at the extended forecast, looking at that hot, dry day on Friday, similar forecast on Saturday. Again, some spots could hit the upper 90s. Sunday, we'll go with a 30% coverage. So rain chances do go up. And again, we'll go with a 30 to 40% coverage coming up Monday and Tuesday. Highs cooling back down into the low to mid 90s. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. Because of the uncertainty, again, all we can do at this point because of that is go with a blend. It could be a lot more and it could be heavy rainfall, or it may be a lot less than what this is even forecasted. It's just we don't have a clear-cut possible idea as far as this goes at this point. Then as we head towards Friday a week and the weekend out a week, looks like pretty normal stuff at this point. download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.